Welcome back to all of you. In this video, you will be learning the last most important question of chapter 4th of your geography, that is human development. So let's start this video. Our today's topic is what are the method of measurement of the human development. Sometimes this question may ask in a different manner, such as what are the main approaches of the human development. इन दिस क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू चेक दैट लेवल ऑफ द मेजरमेंट ऑफ ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट, मतलब कि उसका लेवल चेक करना है कि ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट जो है वो कैसे हो रहा है. तो देर आर सेवरल मेजर बट अकॉर्डिंग टू योर एनसीईआरटी देर आर ओनली 4 मेथड by which you can check that human development is there. First method is income measurement or income approach, whatever you want to write down. Second is welfare measurement. Third is basic need approach. Fourth is measurement of capability. So let's understand this first topic. It is one of the oldest method of the human development context of income. As we all know that more the income is there, more the freedom is there. Means income जितनी ज़्यादा होगी, हमारा जो ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट का लेवल होगा वो उतना ज़्यादा होगा. सेकेंड आ जाता है वेलफेयर अप्रोच. दिस approach is quite important because man is considered as the beneficiary of the activities aimed at the human development. Means this method does not take any account of role of people. They consider, मतलब man is considered as the inactive, क्योंकि इसमें ज़्यादातर रोल किसका होता है, गवर्नमेंट का. इट इज़ अज्यूम दैट द ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट इज proportionate to the expenditure of education, health, social security, social facilities by government itself. Hence, the government is responsible for increasing the level of the human development by spending more money on the welfare planning. Next is our basic need approach, and this approach was proposed by the ILO, that is International Labour Organization. इसमें 6 basic needs हैं हमारी, जैसे कि health is there, education is there, food is there, water is there. Now fourth one is measurement of capability. In this method is proposed by the Amrita Sen, and we can say that this technique lays emphasizes on the increasing of human capability, especially the capability to participate in the consumption of resources, health and education facilities. So student, let's sum up this topic with a very simple way. इनकम अप्रोच में आप लोगों ने लिखना है कि इट इज़ वन ऑफ द ओल्डेस्ट मेथड, और जितनी ज़्यादा इनकम होगी उतना हमारा ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट का लेवल अच्छा होगा. वेलफेयर अप्रोच में ह्यूमन इतना ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट नहीं है जितना कि गवर्नमेंट उसमें पॉलिसीज़ लगाएगी. गवर्नमेंट ज़्यादा रोल प्ले कर रही है टू इंक्रीज़ और ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट लेवल. थर्ड में आप लिखेंगे कि इट इज़ द बेसिक नीड अप्रोच, क्योंकि हमें बेसिक, जब तक हमारे पास में बेसिक नीड्स कंप्लीट होंगी तभी हमारा ह्यूमन डेवलपमेंट होगा. और हमारी बेसिक नीड्स क्या आती है, लेट्स रिकॉल वंस अगेन: हेल्थ, एजुकेशन, फूड, वाटर सप्लाई, क्लीनिनेस एंड हाउसिंग. लास्ट इज़ कैपेबिलिटी. तो अमृता सेन के अकॉर्डिंग वो कहते हैं कि हमारी जितनी ज़्यादा ह्यूमन की जितनी ज़्यादा कैपेबिलिटी को इंक्रीज़ किया जाएगा, जैसे कि वट एवर द रिसोर्सेज वी आर कंज्यूमिंग, good health facilities should be provided, and education facilities should be good, then we are definitely develop. So student, hope you really like this video. If you really like this video, please subscribe this channel for the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.